Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Y'all, your girl cooked dinner today, okay? I have some fried fish, I have some fried shrimp, and I have some air fried broccoli, y'all, okay? Let me show y'all this broccoli. Y'all, this right here is my favorite way to eat broccoli. Has to be air fried. Let me show y'all this charred one. Look at that, guys. Look at that. If you are not air frying your broccoli in 2025, what are you doing? Okay? Period. What are you doing? Even if you don't have an air fryer, I don't know what to tell y'all to do. No, I'm playing. Put it inside your oven and put your oven on broil, but on the lowest setting, and keep an eye on it. And it'll come out just like this, y'all, okay? Y'all, let me say my grace, and I'm going to get straight into this, y'all. All right? Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless the hands I prepared, the Lord. Allow for it to be nourishment to my body, Lord. I thank you for allowing for us to have the means to be able to afford food, y'all. I say y'all, excuse me. To be able to afford food, Lord, I ask, Lord, that you allow, Lord, for anyone, Lord, that does not have the means, Lord, to afford a meal, Lord, for somebody to bless them with a meal. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, y'all, let's get straight into it, okay? Mind y'all, this right here was supposed to be a short, but I already know it's going over time. I already know it is. What are y'all having for dinner? Comment down below and let your girl know. No, I do not have no fork. I don't feel like you need no fork. This is all finger food to me. Y'all, this is good. And if you're wondering what I use on my broccoli, I use low sodium Lawry's, lemon pepper by Mrs. Dash, onion powder, garlic powder, and Magic. The Magic, I think it's just called Magic Salt Free. Y'all, don't have it on hand, but I'm going to have them going up here at the top, y'all. So y'all can see what I use, okay? Y'all, this is so good. My mom made some roasted broccoli the other day, y'all, in the air fryer. And when I tell y'all, I almost ate that whole container, that leftover container, y'all. You know, if you put the leftovers in, I almost ate the whole thing. Y'all, that one was really good. You could really taste that lemon. So good, y'all. Don't forget to comment down below and let your girl know what you eating. Y'all, put some hot sauce up on my fish. I got some crystals. Yeah, I gotta have that hot sauce up on my fish. Comment down below if you are a person that eats hot sauce on your fish, and let your girl know. Y'all, tomorrow for dinner, I'm doing some stuffed peppers. So, I know today is Thursday, but this is basically my Friday, okay? Because instead of tomorrow eating like my fried fish, like I normally do my fried fish on Fridays, if I'm a fried fish, I'm eating today. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna have stuffed peppers, okay? And in my stuffed peppers, I use rice, black beans, corn. Do I use corn? I can't remember I use corn, y'all, but I bought corn to put inside of it, but I'm gonna go back and look at my old pictures and see if I even put corn inside of it. I haven't made stuffed peppers in a very long time. But I know for sure if I don't use corn, I know I do use black bean, rice, low sodium pasta sauce, and low sodium roasted garlic and herb. I think it's garlic and herb, or either garlic and oregano can of the tomatoes. Yum. Yummy. Y'all, this is so good. Let me tell y'all. I posted up a short the other day. Y'all, I tried Raising Cane's again. Second time of me trying Raising Cane's, okay? The first time I tried Raising Cane's, y'all didn't like it. But the first time I just got the chicken, I didn't really care for it. But this time, y'all, when I got the Raising Cane's, I did enjoy it. Okay? Now, in saying that, your girl do still have some reservations, though. And let me tell y'all what it is, okay? I like Raising Cane's. It was very fresh, piping hot. I got the sandwich this time. I did see a video, y'all. I can't remember who it was, y'all. But your girl seen a video where somebody said to change out that sandwich bun for their butter bread. I think it's their garlic bread, either the butter, whatever that their toast bread is. They said switch it out for that toast bread. I did do that, okay? Was it better? Of course. What I still cannot get with y'all, excuse me. Let me tell y'all, it is like a little net flying around here, y'all. I hate them nets. I went to the store. I'm gonna get back to the store, y'all. I'm all over the place, but just bear with me. I went to the store to get some bananas, y'all, and I also picked up some flowers. I picked up some sunflowers, some regular flowers, y'all. Beautiful flowers, okay? And somehow it started attracting these gnats. So now, y'all, I threw out my flowers, okay? I still got my bananas, but the flowers got thrown out, y'all, okay? And the bananas is not even old looking. Like, the bananas are new. Like, the bananas will still have yellow. I mean, half green. But, y'all, it is a net that's been flying around here, y'all. At first, I had about 2 of them, y'all. But now, I'm down to 1. I do have an indoor bug light hanging up. I got one of them little sticky things hanging up, too. So, hopefully, that net go over there. But back to what I was saying. I did enjoy the Raising Cane's this time. But y'all can't give it that sauce. Okay? I don't think it's universal sauce. Like, when I bit into the sandwich, it was good. But I just wanted like a honey mustard. I wanted either a ranch, a honey barbecue. Like, I wanted to be able to say what type of sauce. Like, I wanted a different dipping sauce. I'm not even going to lie to you. I didn't want that Raising Cane sauce. I don't know what it is about the Raising Cane sauce, but I just don't like it. Maybe because I'm a millennium. And maybe it's not for, you get what I'm saying, like, us. You feel me? Well, to me, it tastes like crab sauce. Like, if y'all understand what I'm saying, if y'all ever have the Raising Cane sauce, and if y'all have made y'all homemade crab sauce, if y'all in the DMV, let me say that. Y'all know the crab sauce that we make. with the ketchup-based crab sauce. That's what it tastes like to me. Okay? So if you have ever made that crab sauce, y'all know exactly what crab sauce I'm talking about. That's what it tastes like to me. It's ketchup-based. It tastes like it might have Old Bay in it, ketchup, mayonnaise, and a vinegar. That's what it tastes like to me. It tastes like, it could be like a malt vinegar or even a regular vinegar. But that's what it tastes like to me, y'all. And I'm not lying. Alright, y'all, let's try this shrimp. Y'all, the way I did my shrimp, I like to cut in between my shrimp like this because I want all of it to get cooked, y'all. This right here is a big shrimp. So I wanted to make sure it all gets cooked. I don't have, I got broccoli in my teeth. Like, how did that happen? And I can't even get it out. I'm over it. Y'all, I'm going to try it by itself. I'm not going to put no ketchup or nothing on top of it. I'm just going to try it the way it is. It's no peeling on the shrimp. I peeled all the shrimp off of these right here are colossal shrimps. As y'all can see, this is how I like to do mine. This right here is the tail part. Okay? And this right here is the shrimp. So the way that I do it, y'all, I butterfly it. And y'all can see it. This right here is the tail. Let me show y'all what your girl does. Let me take off that bread in a little bit so y'all can see. See what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? This right here is the tail piece. These right here are the two ends when I butterfly, y'all. Why I do my shrimp like that? Once again, because your girl wants to make sure it's cooked all the way. Because, you know, like shrimp can be like watery. And you don't want it to be boiling. You want it to fry. So I butterfly my shrimp. See what I'm saying? Look at that. And then you have these two pieces right here. Alright, so this right here is a huge shrimp. If it was a smaller shrimp, I wouldn't do this. But regular canes was better. But that sauce, like I said, I want them to get a different sauce. I want to be able to have options of like, you know, different sauces. Like, what about if you want mayonnaise? Just regular mayonnaise on your sandwich. And ketchup. And why they don't have cheese? Like, am I the only one that like cheese on my chicken sandwiches? And not just on my burgers? Oh, y'all, excuse the flour on my dress, y'all. Okay? Your girl cooked this in real life. Okay? So that's why I have flour everywhere. No, this is good. Really good. I kind of want to put some hot sauce on my broccoli. I'm going to dip it first so I can try it with the hot sauce. Mm-hmm. That hot sauce on that broccoli took it up 2 notches, y'all. Wow. Y'all, tomorrow I'm going to get my nails done. I don't know if I'm going to get my feet done or not, but I probably will. But I'm going to get my nails done, y'all. This time, y'all, I'm getting no diamonds. Because when I tell y'all, I got diamonds that done fell off my nails already. And when that happens, y'all, it makes your nails rough. I mean, your girl does hair. I can't be in people's hair snagging their hair. Okay? Or even, like, getting dressed and stuff like that. It's so rough till, like, you would be, like, snagging on your clothes and stuff. Can't do that. Y'all can't eat all these shrimp. Your girl is kind of getting full. And I still want to drink my drink, y'all. Let me tell y'all about that, too. I ended up putting my drink inside the freezer, y'all. And it's frozen. It might be like slushy right now, but earlier, it was frozen. So, I'm going to see if it's still frozen. Let me show y'all how I really like it. Look at this. Can y'all see how charred that this is? This is how I really like it, y'all. Muy delicioso. Okay? Yum. And I only eat broccoli florets. I don't eat cut broccoli. I don't like cut broccoli. If I'm gonna eat a broccoli stem, I want it to be attached to the broccoli piece. Because nobody just want no stem sitting by itself. Comment down below if you just a stem person and you like cut broccoli. I do not. I'm gonna always try to get the florets at all times. You know, I'm about to grab my drink here in a minute. Woo! Y'all, I'm getting full. Y'all, let me add some hot sauce to this broccoli. Just a little. And y'all, my favorite hot sauce is Crystal's, okay? If you don't know, now you know, okay? Period. What is your favorite hot sauce? Comment down below. I do like, I think it's Texas Pete, or is it Louisiana? I do like that one too. It's in that small bottle. I like that one too. But let me know what's your favorite hot sauce. Comment that down below. And do you like real spicy hot sauce? Or do you like, you know, more of a vinegar hot sauce? I like more of a vinegar hot sauce. Can't be too spicy. I can't enjoy it. My mom likes super duper hot sauce, y'all. I mean, like habanero, ghost pepper. Y'all, I'm gonna take y'all through a tour one day of her hot sauces, y'all. She got habanero hot sauce, ghost pepper hot sauce, Carolina Reaper. Like, are you good? I'm like, to me, that's not even enjoyable. Like, that's torture. Imagine you just wanting just a little bit of hot sauce, and you come out after you eat that hot sauce, you sweating all the way down to your feet. Hot flashes, thinking that you going through menopause. Y'all ain't got time. But her hot sauce gotta be hot and like scorching her mouth off. That lady in there, she built different. I'm telling y'all that much. My son, his tolerance for hot sauce is higher than mine. Because he loves buffalo sauce. There have to be hot buffalo sauce. He don't do the mild. Alright. Now your girl is done. Okay? Woo! I still got 3 shrimp. Well, I still have 3 shrimp. I started off with 4. I have 1 more piece of broccoli left that probably is not going to be here in a minute. So I'm going to eat that. I'm not eating this piece of broccoli because your girl just don't do stems. We went through that already. I'm too full to eat this piece of shrimp. I'm too full to eat this piece of fish. So it's going to be left for her. But your girl is going to eat this piece of broccoli. And then, Mm-mm. And then I'm gonna drink that Sunkist soda. Y'all hope that Sunkist is good. Because when I tell y'all your girl haven't had, like, when is the last Sunkist that I ever had, to be honest? Have I ever even had a Sunkist? Yes. Orange. I think that's the only Sunkist I ever had was orange. But I seen they got so many different Sunkists in there, y'all. They got orange. They got, what is it called? I think like a mango one. I think they might got strawberry kiwi. You know what? Hold on. Was that blue soda I tried? Was that a Sunkist? Y'all, that blue soda might have been a Sunkist. Yeah. That berry lemonade. That was a Sunkist, y'all. I do remember drinking that. And it was trash. Whew, excuse me. Alright. The girl is back, y'all, with this Sunkist fruit punch, okay? Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see it up close. Do y'all see it? Y'all, it is so slushed down, okay? I'm gonna try to drink it for y'all and make the best out of it, okay? Your girl do not, I love Slurpees. I don't know what it is about frozen sodas I don't like. That's weird, right? My mom said it's going to be really good because it's a fruity soda and it's frozen. So we shall see, y'all. I haven't had a frozen soda in like years. I'm so mad that it even got frozen. Like, is it going to be weak now? Is it still going to be strong? Like, we got to find out, y'all. My mom like her soda slushy. You just like your fruity soda slushy or any soda?
No, the fruity soda.
Okay. Alright, y'all. We about to get into it because I know this is right here. I said I know this is right here. What is that? I know this right here is what y'all have been waiting for. Because this is what y'all voted for, okay? I asked y'all, did y'all want to either see me do that strawberry, what is it called? Perpetuous ice cream, or either this fruit punch Sunkist fruit, this fruit punch Sunkist. This Sunkist fruit punch soda, y'all. And I'm not cutting none of that out, okay, y'all? I normally cut out the bloopers and stuff like that, y'all. I'm leaving all this in, okay? Because your girl is beyond human, okay? I'm a full human, alright? And I make mistakes just like the next human do, okay? And I'm not going to try none of that out. Y'all going to get bloopers and all today. Alright? This right here video is not even going to be fully edited. Yes, this right here is my back pillow that y'all see behind me. Y'all getting all this inside this video today. Partially edited, minimum edited video, okay? I hope that y'all enjoy it. Alright, let's get into it. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, excuse me. Oof. Comment down below if y'all have had it and let me know how y'all like it. Let's get into it. Okay. Immediately tasting it. It is a meal. It is a meal immediately tasting it. I have to chop through the ice. Okay? So my first thought of this is a meal. This to me is like eating cereal. Like, I gotta drink and chew. I only want to do one when you're thirsty. That's it. Just one. I've already done 8. I don't want to have to eat again. Oh. But it's good, y'all. This right here is really good. This right here is 10 times better than that berry one I tried, y'all. That blue one I tried was disgusting. This right here one is good. This right here actually tastes like, let me try it again. Oh, y'all. Because your girl had to chew it up. It tastes like a Rock Creek. Excuse me. It tastes just like a Rock Creek fruit punch soda to me. Back in the day, y'all, I used to walk to the corner store. I would get me the nacho cheese sunflower seeds and a pickle egg, y'all, and a fruit punch Rock Creek soda. And Rock Creek back in the day used to be so strong, y'all, and delicious. This tastes like a Rock Creek soda, y'all, and I would definitely grab this again. Now I want to try all the Sunkisses, okay? This right here one is good. You want to try this meal?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little hot.
Okay. Now I'm letting my mom try this meal. When I tell y'all, she's gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, this is how I like it. This is how I used to drink mine back in the day." Watch, she's gonna be going in, y'all, because she really likes slushy sodas, y'all. She even likes the coconut waters with the meal up in it. I don't even like the coconut waters with the coconut pieces, y'all. She loved them. I'd be like, ugh. I'd be like, you want the meal or not? She'd be like, yeah, give me the meal one. I'd be like, ugh.
Thank you.
Let's see, did you get all this water out?
It's okay.
Y'all look at me like this is for me. Do y'all rinse out y'all cups and then look to see if all the water is out? Y'all have to. You gotta squeeze it. Oh, good Lord.
Yeah. Let me get your paper towel.
Thank you. Y'all, this right here. Now I probably can do something, y'all, because I done gave my mom mainly all the slushy part. I might can do something with it. Because it's something about chewing it, y'all. The roof of my mouth has, I have mouth freeze right now. That's the only way I can explain it. You know, you get brain freeze, I have mouth freeze.
It's good.
Look, it's good. She tried not to act like it's all that great, y'all. She back here smiling like, it's good. She know that she really like it.
It is.
This right here is up her alley.
It's really good.
She literally, back in the day, used to put her soda into the freezer, y'all, and let it get like this. And then she would take it out. And it was to the point, y'all, where she had to, like, squeeze it and, like, eat it. Yuck.
It is really good.
I can't do it.
And it's still strong.
Oh, excuse me.
That's how you can tell you get a good soda.
Woo! When you freeze and it's still strong.
And it's still strong. And it is still strong.
Y'all, this is good. But I'm going to bring this back. If I can find it tomorrow, y'all, I'm going to bring it back because, y'all, this meal is tearing me up. I ain't lying. And I don't even know how much more I can do of it, y'all, because trying to chew it is just tearing me up. But it's like, how do I drink Slurpees? I don't know.
With a straw.
Yeah. She said, with a straw. That's how we all drink Slurpees. With a straw. Yes, y'all. I do drink it with the straw like everybody else. But I don't know why I like Slurpees and don't like these. Y'all, also, let me get my mom to hand me these donuts, y'all. Because, y'all, I found some donuts in the store, y'all. Once again, minding my business. Y'all know that the Smurfs movie is coming out, y'all. And I have these blueberry Smurf donuts that I'm going to try for y'all. I don't know if they're going to be good or nasty. I like blueberry muffins. I don't really know about that powdered blueberry. Then I also seen these, y'all. This right here doesn't say Smurfs, but this right here is a lemon mini donut. They were 2 for $6, so I went on ahead and got 2. So, y'all, I'm going to be trying that at a later time for y'all, probably tomorrow. See what I'm saying, y'all? That is a big piece right there. And I'm trying to get around it. Alright, y'all. That's all I can do for y'all. Oh, that's all I can do for y'all. That is it. Y'all can't do no more. Oh, y'all. I got mouth freeze. I got teeth freeze, y'all. All that. That is it, y'all. But this right here was bomb. But I'm definitely going to try to run it back. I want to get another one of these, y'all. Because I got to try it without all the ice and stuff inside of it. Okay, y'all? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video, y'all, okay? So until we chat again, until we live again, until I see y'all in tomorrow's video where your girl is going to try to find another one of these without the meal. Bye!